Hey guys, I'm going to give you a January update for my M1 Finance account. I'm going to try this something new for 2019. We're just at the beginning of each month. I'll show you a detailed account of my previous month and what kind of dividends I made, the profit or losses I had for the month, and the overall balance of my account, anything of interest in my account, and yeah. So let's go. If you're interested in M1 Finance, I will leave a link down below. But it's your choice. This is my account. This is what I'm doing. If you want to use my link, feel free. That being said, let's get into the account. So here's my current amount total, $4,962. For the month, I am up 401.94. This is, to be honest, this is getting back a little bit of what I lost over the last couple months because the market was going down, so it's just recouping back some of what I lost. But anyways, it's still a good month, up 9.11%, and my total earned dividends this month is almost $11. So my main goal of this is to get it up to about $1,000 a month in dividends in this account in the next 15 years, so I can use that money for retirement type funds. So that's a huge goal. $10 a month right now into $1,000 a month, but that's a goal I'm going to try to achieve. This is only one of my many accounts that I'm doing, but I'm going to do my best and reach that goal. So some of the main key points of this is, so my best one this month is my growth fund. My growth fund is considered of mostly growth stocks, some small dividends in here, but mostly growth funds that have shown to really go up in value. So Shop is my winner for the month in my growth fund. STZ, which is like the alcohol type distributor company, really shouldn't belong in this growth fund. I should move this into a different pie. Each of my pies, I try to keep 12 stocks maximum, so I can balance and I can see which accounts are doing well and which accounts need adjustment. This one, what do I have? 3, 6, 9, 10 in this one. So if I can find 2 other growths, I'll add to this one, but most of my others are currently at 12. So let's kind of go through a couple other funds. But this video is mainly to show you the different how I did in the month of January, and then towards the end of February or beginning of March, I'll show you how it did in February, and so on for 2019. And if you want to jump straight to the playlist, I will add this playlist to my account after this video, or coming up in the next few days, or by next month for sure. Otherwise, you can click notification bell, and you will receive all my new videos. So the speculative account, this is kind of like ones that are not really proven, but have a really good chance for lots of words that can really jump in value. So Glue Mobile has been great. My only complaint on Glue Mobile is I did withdraw some of the funds about 2 weeks ago, and I wish I would have kept it in there because it's just been on fire lately. JD, AOS, Ford, and Plug, I think these have a lot of room to move, and then the rest are just funds, and then dividend 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like I said, I keep 12 in each one. I think I'm maxed out at all of them now. Let's check 4, see how many I'm at now. Yeah, I think I'm maxed at all of them. 3, 6, 9, 12. So yeah, I got 12 stocks in all of my dividend funds, and this is kind of how this one's going. This is a little bit of a balance. This is mostly my quarterlies. I keep a balance of quarterly and monthly paying dividends. And yeah, IBM was a fairly new addition, and then TERP, Enbridge, and Weyerhaeuser was added very recently. So as you can tell, I only put $10, a little over $10 in each of those. So I'm going to add to those. So thanks, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And yeah, let's please like and subscribe. Let's see if I can get 20 likes on this video. It's always nice to set goals. So I think the out of my recent videos, I think the most likes I have on a video is around 18. So it'd be nice to hit 20 to show me that you like the content and you want me to increase the content and put out more videos. So thanks again, guys. Check out my other videos for different type of investments I'm doing. I am going to do a video on Fundrise, how my account is doing on Fundrise, real estate investing. That should be coming up later on today. So take care, guys. Happy investing out there. Bye.